Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI note-taking platform, which is Capacity and Notta. So to get started with quick analysis, Capacity is all about building a smart personal knowledge base. It uses an object-based system node, meeting people, files that you link together, creating a second brain where ideas connect and evolve. Its built-in AI helps you summarize, search, and uncover patterns across your content. Now, talking about Notta, by contrast, is all about capturing spoken conversation in real time. It offers a live transcription and instant summary support in 58 languages, and also integrate with Zoom, Meet, Teams, and WebEx, and more. And in a conclusion, choose Capacity if you are building a rich connected web of ideas over times. And also you can simply choose Notta if you want an AI powered transcription and a summaries of your conversation, fast and hassle free. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two AI platform. Thanks.